Okay, here it is, my first ever unboxing video, because most of everything I do is digital and so there's not much to unbox. But I've been working on a project over the last several months, and because of the pandemic, printing around the world has been a little challenging. So it took a while for this to happen. But it's the Freedom Seekers Journal. This is a project I've been working on with my friends at Metadime, Vicky Helm and Robin Helm and Tracy Wilson. And it is a new journal that has QR codes that take you to unique and exclusive tapping videos to help you plan your goals and work through blocks and clear the resistance so that you can decide what you really want and go for it. So be watching for that very soon. I'll be announcing it when it's available for purchase, but there it is. Very excited about this. Talk to you soon.